Hello everybody. Today we are going to practice two sounds. In the first video we learned about I and E, and we compared the two so that we could see what was different about them and what was the same. We're going to do the same thing today with the sounds for E and I. E and I. So first let's look at what is the same about these two sounds. The first thing you will notice is that your mouth will open up wide for both of these sounds. E, I. So what is the difference about them? Well, let's look at the tongue. Is that different? E, I. Not much difference. The one thing that tends to be different between these two is how stationary the mouth is. In other words, how still and how unmoving it is. Okay? When you say eh, the mouth does not have to move any other direction. It just goes eh. But when we say I, you'll notice the mouth opens, just like it's saying eh, but it closes back down. I. Okay? So let's practice in 3 repetitions with each sound. Eh, I. 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 Once again, you can use your hands to serve as a marker for what you need to be doing with your mouth movements. For example, when we do I. I. Okay, pause the video and for 2 minutes practice making these sounds in the same repetitions that we just did. I. See you back in 2 minutes. Welcome back. Now let's move on from the vowel sounds into the one-syllable words that feature these sounds. Let's start with e and practice these. Set, bet, head, fed. Set, bet, head, fed. Set, bet, head, fed. Now let's move over to the I sounds. Sight, bite, hide, fight. Sight, bite, hide, fight. Now let's go back and forth between the two and practice. Set, sight, bet, fight. Head, hide, fed, fight. Set, sight, bet, fight. Head, hide, fed, fight. Okay, so now I want you guys to pause the video so that you can see these words and say them again. Set, sight, bed, fight, head, hide, fed, fight. Pause the video right here and practice saying these sounds.
Now let's practice reading these sentences which feature both e and I. I bet the Mets might win tonight. Set the pet right by the red light. I bet the Mets might win tonight. Set the pet right by the red light. I bet the Mets might win tonight. Set the pet right by the red light. Now pause the video and practice saying these sentences in repetition for 2 minutes.
So there you have it. That is a simple way to practice the sounds e and I. If you find that you're having difficulty with the sound I, try also at the end of saying I to slightly move your mouth outward as if making a smile, similar to how you do for the sound E. So go from eh to E and see if you can say I. So let's say one of our sentences again. I bet the Mets might win tonight. I bet the Mets might win tonight. So if you need additional practice, go back to the beginning. Remember that whenever you are trying to learn a specific sound and how to do it very clearly, you want to practice for 10 to 15 minutes with those sounds straight through, because you are training your muscles to learn the proper movements for these sounds. That is what is necessary for proper language pronunciation. Whatever language you are trying to use, you have to train your muscles to learn how to make those sounds. So check back soon for more pronunciation videos.